Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
This girl didn't know there was a camera, so she decided to do this. Leaving the house with your shoes on, not a thing in our little slice of the globe, but the Americans and Europeans who do it might not be as insane as we think they are. After what seems to be an outbreak of shoe thievery happening around our typically peaceful city-state, it's at least worth mulling. Facebook user Nur Ashakan Muhammad Kazam's new example of brazen shoe nicking comes with courtesy. Two ladies can be seen casually trying on shoes taken from a shoe rack situated along the corridor of an HDB flat at Tech Y in a video she posted on Sunday. Happened on Saturday night, these two courageous young ladies seem to be brazenly selecting the lucky shoes and flip-flops they want to go to jail for their Cinderella journey. Take the time to choose well. Help me spread the words, yeah. The clip is captioned by Nur. The women decide to make a break for it at the end of the film, probably after hearing a sound from inside the room. The incident occurred at about 9:54 p.m. on Saturday, according to the timestamp of the CCTV film. But they weren't done. A second video shows one of the girls about 15 minutes later returning to the would-be crime scene. Once she sees the security camera, she can be seen looking around, presumably for witnesses. Immediately before she steps out of the picture, she buries her face in her hands. Not incriminating at all. Surprisingly, the strange surveillance video led to lots of netizens making fun of the foiled, low-level heist of the children. That they think the annual Great Singapore Sale is being held at your home, one slightly amusing netizen said. Everyone thinks this is a sale at a factory, another said. This is the third occurrence in less than a month at which individuals in HBD corridors have been caught on camera enjoying the all five-finger discount. Captured on camera on April 20th, a 27-year-old Grab delivery man stealing a pair of shoes from a flat in Kiat Hong Close. The man was subsequently arrested on 28th of June, and Grab said that he was working on the case with the authorities. The Grab food driver gives and sometimes seemingly takes away. If we hadn't seen the video with our own eyes, we probably wouldn't believe it, but closed-circuit footage from last Sunday, June 20th, and posted on local Facebook page Singapore Share appears to be showing the moment of a Grab food delivery driver brazenly stealing a pair of shoes outside an apartment. The apartment's surveillance cameras show a guy who delivers food in a Grab food uniform. However, after the door closes and he thinks he is not heard, he easily sneaks a pair of shoes out of the shoe rack outside the flat and puts them in his isolated delivery bag before making his getaway. The incident video was uploaded online and was viewed more than 1,600 times since. The video ignited outrage, surprise, among Singaporean netizens who requested that both Grab and police investigate the incident. Another wag/master of the obvious added, "The bags are meant for food, not clothes. Grab food." Grab is aware of the situation, as it turns out, and we think none too pleased about that. "We are aware of that and are looking into the matter. Grab will not tolerate such behavior and will terminate distribution partners found guilty," the company said in a statement to Singapore Coconuts. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's more or less the exact same language that was used earlier this week when a Grab driver was sentenced to 3 weeks in prison for stealing a cash-filled backpack and passports from a family that he was transporting to Changi. After last week, a man wearing a Grab food shirt was filmed stealing a towel from a clothes rack outside an HDB flat. Did Grab ever wonder where he got his name from? Comprehensibly, the organization never intended solely its good reputation for its hires, but in view of what has happened lately, it seems that its delivery men have, in truth, been grabbing things. The best ones are not. A man wearing a recognizably green Grab food shirt is seen casually strolling down the corridor of an HDB building, presumably looking around to check for eyewitnesses in a video that has been circulating since it was posted to Facebook last night. The incident apparently occurred about 1:28 a.m. on Tuesday, July 2nd, although it is not clear where it took place, according to the timestamp of the film. When he roams up to a drying rack of clothes with what seems to be a toothbrush in his mouth, he looks around again, taking a towel nonchalantly before going back to where he came from, all without a care in the world. The unusual sight led many to poke fun at the dude for probably losing his towel in front of a tub, but some noted the object could be a shirt or a pair of pants. Meanwhile, some suggested that even his Grab Food shirt may have been nicked from somewhere else. Needless to say, the netizens have a field day coming up with new services for Grab and making puns with the name of the product. In response to a message on Facebook, Nur expressed that she had reported the crime to the authorities, and we can only hope that in the near future, our apartment corridors will be safe for footwear again. Godspeed, Godspeed.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.